How long have you believed that coconut causes cough? I'm sure you've heard this 1,000 times before. Well, I'm here to tell you today that it doesn't. According to a homeopathy doctor, the assumption is not true because coconut is very healthy to the human body. This particular claim has been in our society for a very long time, but for the sake of this fact check, it was tweeted in 2014 and resurfaced recently. From time immemorial, there is a common assumption that you do not eat coconut while coughing because it aggravates cough. However, Tubawa reached out to a medical doctor in Ibadan who said it was discovered that coconut contains vitamin C and the liquid is rich in potassium, calcium and other nutrients which are beneficial to the human body. Medical experts do not agree with the claim that coconut causes or aggravates cough. Hence, the claim that says coconut causes or aggravates cough is false.